Welcome guys, welcome to another episode of Nama Japan. Today we're having a soccer themed episode, which is going to be quite interesting. This is my friend Sam, the Australian.
Yo.
And we're here somewhere between Shibuya and Yokohama on the Toyoko line. This is a quite interesting place we're going to today. What's it called?
It's Gunners.
It's called Noodle Kitchen Gunners.
Yeah,
I think you can actually see it on top of here.
Yeah.
The whole place is actually Arsenal London themed, which is quite extraordinary. And by itself, that would be like enough reason to go there. But actually, their bowls are fantastic. So they have really, really good ramen bowls there. And what that looks like and what the interior looks like, we'll see in a second. Let's go.
Could you explain the menu a little bit?
So to be honest, I'm stuck on the chuka soba, which is my favorite one. It's actually got sous vide.
Sous vide stuff on top?
Meat in it, which is, I guess, kind of standard in some places, but it's still
getting more popular these days.
Exactly. But for me, this was the first place where I came to know it as a standard sort of option.
Right.
So for me, this is the best.
So you have like a difference between like the regular one and then the kotori one, which is like more thick?
It's just got a thicker, stronger sort of brew to it.
Right. So here's the tokusation thing. You combine it with like either the regular chuka soba or the kotori.
Exactly. So I'm going for this guy. He's definitely my preference.
Right.
And then I guess I don't have enough money now.
You need some cash.
Can you just hand it over?
Alright, okay, hold it.
Alright.
So I'm going to go for a kotteri one. That one. And the toppings.
つけ麺醤油いただきました。
I can really identify with this one. What do we just get?
I think this is what you get for working with a celebrity like yourself. You get some a free, what should I say, like just a starter dish.
Some appetizer right there.
こ
このところのこだわりポイントは何ですか？
特に無添加の素材ですね。化学調味料一切使ってない素材の旨味とか風味とか感じれるかなと思います。
店長ね、彼は大ファンでしょ？アーセナル。
あ、そうです。僕もそうです。
あ、そう。あ、みんな。
僕とその方2人だけです。
あ、2人だけ。You can see like there's way more fat in this one.
Yeah.
And this looks way lighter. Grab all the pieces. Like we got some nice chashu here. We got chicken, sous vide chicken. We got sous vide. I think that looks a little bit too big for duck. I think it's a big duck. That's a very big duck. I think it's beef. And then we have some fantastic, kind of like chunky wontons.
Yeah.
There we got some, I think, kaninori. We got fresh onions here, a little bit of greens. There's menma here on the side.
So this is the stuff right here, man.
Happy?
Happy. That's it, mate?
Oh, it's pretty good. I like the chewiness of the noodles. They're like a little bit chewy, but like not too much.
Creamy.
Going for the zoom. It's not a bad egg, right?
That's a pretty solid egg. Good egg. Some people like it a little bit more yolky, but this one is almost like mashed potato inside. Perfect creaminess, nice flavor. That's a good egg. That was a good egg. So that was Noodle Kitchen Gunners.
How'd you feel, man?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm also feeling quite full.
You got to the bottom of the bowl there.
Oh,
I noticed.
phew. That was a good bowl though. I could not stop eating. I haven't even like thought about what kind of score I would give it. Like, what's your rating for this?
You got
this
old mate coming here. So,
All right.
given that it's
Wait.
my regular spot, I'm going to give it a strong 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah, because I never feel bloated. I never feel gross. Leaving.
Right.
It's a really nice bowl.
Yeah, I think if you go for the light one,
Yeah.
you shouldn't feel like too bad
Yeah.
if you don't slurp away all the soup like we did,
Yeah.
right? I went for the heavy one, and it's a heavy bowl because they had, I think, a little bit of extra tare, they had a little bit of extra fat right there. But I mean, a little of extra flavor never hurt anyone. And I would give this place a solid 8.
So we're
I really like
in
this one.
agreement.
Yeah, definitely. This is a good place. I would not be surprised if this one appears on the Bib Gourmand list sometime in the future. I think it just has to be like discovered, and I think the whole Arsenal thing probably doesn't do it like any favors.
This is what they like. They're making the ramen they
Right,
like.
right. They're just doing their thing, right? They're Arsenal fans. They're not shy about it, and like, I especially love the toilet that has like, was it Tottenham?
Yeah.
The Tottenham Hotspurs.
Where they belong,
Sign
I
on.
guess. No.
Well, I don't know. So we conclude, this is the place for any Arsenal fan and ramen fan to stop by. If you're like in the area, there's
Give me
no
a
reason.
call.
Give him a
I'm
call.
living quite close by.
And yeah, this one is better than anyone would expect. And yeah, that's all for today. If you like to see this guy again, leave a comment down below. Anyway, give this one a like if you watched until now.
Yeah.
And subscribe if you haven't, right? And I'll see you guys in the next one. ごちそうさまでした。
そうでした。
食券ないの？
食券いいけど、お客さんは大盛りって言ってるでしょ。
大盛りの食券代変わりました。あ、金額はい、変わります。あ、じゃあ普通で。
あ、大丈夫です。はい。